I'm about to spray these. So I'm gonna show you two ways of painting these. First, we're gonna take the wheel off, but then I was like, you could leave the wheel on. Taped up the bolts, covered the car, put a shield around, covered all your rotors, caliper. Okay, so I'm gonna go down one more notch on this back. This little break in the back is killing me. So I'm gonna go down one more notch, and then we'll cycle it, and hopefully we'll be good after that. So kind of have it raised up right now, so that's not how high it really is. So 235 is still in the wheel well a lot better than the 225s I had. I think one more notch. That one more notch, I think that one did it. It's sitting perfect now. do it for this one today. Stay tuned for some more mods, some more DIY stuff, and you know, if you got any questions or anything, hit me on the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe if you haven't. If you have, thanks again. Appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next project.